Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on May 23rd. Market analysis. This week, influenced by three major factors: the strength of the US dollar, the turmoil of US debt and geopolitics. The spot gold market once surged to $3,345.43 US/ounce this week, and the market remained at a relatively high level on Thursday and closed at $3,294.71 US/ounce. After the opening of Asia in early trading this trading day, the market bulls made a maximum of $3,321.98 US/ounce and currently traded around $3,319 US/ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on the progress of trade negotiations and the recent progress of the parties to geopolitical conflicts, and the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a high shock stage. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $33.11 to $33.22, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,322 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at 33.32 to 33.42. If the afternoon market breaks 3,311 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at 33.01 to 32.91. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is at a high level in hours and at a high level in 15 minutes. The 15-minute chart oscillation interval is 1.1307 to 1.1322. If the market breaks 1.1322 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1390 to 1.1420. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1307 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 1.1280 to 1.1230. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. On the hourly chart, the exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in a rising mood, and on the 15-minute chart, it is in a shock stage, with a shock range of 1.3437 to 1.3455. If the market breaks 1.3455 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3480 to 1.3520. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3437 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 1.3390 to 1.3350. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a shock stage in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6427 to 0.6440. If the market breaks 0.6440 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6480 to 0.6520. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6427 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be 0.6380 to 0.6330. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The hourly chart of US dollar to Japanese yen exchange rate is in a shock stage. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock interval is 143.35 to 143.73. If the market breaks 143.73 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 144.10 to 144.80. If the afternoon market breaks 143.35 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 142.80 to 142.40. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.